Morning everybody. I thought I'd talk to you today about the new bit of kit that we've got, which is the MAXVAC Dustblocker 650 or DB650 to close friends. Now, you're going to say, Phil, what is it? Well, let's just say this is a filtration system. It's a glorified version of my spray mask. It sucks in air, purifies it, takes out the little particles, and then clears the air and you can breathe. Yeah, there's probably a little bit more to it than that. But what it is, it's a unit that will be working alongside you, whether you're a decorator that sprays or whether you're a decorator that's got dustless extraction. You know that there's still that little bit of dust in the air. So what this is doing is filtering. Let's call it a filter. This is filtering the air around you to make a better working environment. What do you mean filter? Right, let me just show you. This is the kit. Let's start off. It weighs about 13 kilos. Not too bad. Not too bad. You want it sturdy. It's an aluminium case. And as you can see there, I'll just drop you down slightly. As you can see there, this is the part that actually does all the sucking in. So the machine is sucking the air. You've got this filter on the front, which is just clipped in by these little spring clips just on the side. Dead easy to undo. And let me just show you what these filtration systems are. Let's just move them back. Right, the first one is like a fabric. And if you can see that, yeah, can you see the dust that's collected with me 2 days of spraying? Shows you what you'd be breathing in, wouldn't you, if you hadn't got a mask on when you're spraying. But it shows you what you'd be breathing in or what you are breathing in when you haven't got a mask on. So that's the first filter, which sits nicely in that at the front. Your second one, this is like more of a particle filter. That will then go after that one. And then at the back, there's the HEPA filter. So let me just gently pull that out. You can see that. There's the air filter, and you can see on there what it says? Yeah. And it's got all the bits and pieces to it. So let me just show you how it fits together. You've got an arrow, so that goes against the unit there. Push that in, fits nice. Get the next one, another arrow. That goes on there, and then finish it off. Oops. Finish it off with that over the top and clip it in place. Right, let's talk about size of room, because this is quite a big unit. This is the unit that will do up to 650 cubic meters of air per hour, which in layman's terms, if you understand it, it's roughly about 216 cubic meter size room, which for a general decorator, this is ample. You can get smaller ones, but as a day-to-day usage, this is probably the one you want to use. The smaller ones will be ideal for smaller jobs, but this is actually ideal for me that does spraying. We've got the sanders and all the bits and pieces that could be creating dust in the air. Now, yeah, of course, there's going to be a noise when it's on. When it's turned on full power, because it's the setting on the back, and I'll show you that in a minute, goes from 50% power up to 100. When it's on the maximum, you're looking around about 67 decibels, which I'll be honest, is quite noisy, but it's probably no more noisy than what you've probably had when you've got your Merca or your sprayer or anything else that's mechanical making a noise. So it's not too bad. It's needed. Let's say it's needed. But what's really good about this, I'll come around to this side. There is an adapter that you can actually connect it to a slinky snake if you want to take the air that it's filtration, if you want it to take the air and pump it outside, or as you've probably seen on some videos, they can actually connect it to the waste pipe in a bathroom to make a negative air space. but we're not going to be doing anything like that. We just want the air purifying and taking the dust particles out the air that you can't actually see. But there is the adapter there that just slides on the side, and you can connect your Slinky Snake hose to that. That's good. Right, let's move it around a bit more. I'd say there's an easily good 2 meters of cable on that. And what's nice is you get 2 cables, one the 110 and another one that's the 240, because it is dual voltage, and doesn't matter which one you plug in, it will automatically adjust according to what the voltage is going into it. So that's good. I need that when I'm using it on site, but in the general public houses, we're all right with 240. But on the back, you've got an off and on switch. You've got a red light that comes on if you need to change the filter. And then there's also the power dial, which goes from 50 up to 100% power. And I'm just going to turn it on to show you what it sounds like. Now this is at 50, this is on the low setting. You can hear it. It's a bit like an extractor fan in a bathroom. Now if I turn that up, that's on 100% full power. And it's blowing it out this side and sucking it in from the front. Just turn that back down. And I'll turn it off. Now when I'm spraying, I don't have it on full power. It's probably about halfway between the 50 and the 100, which is about 75%. Now when I've finished the spraying and I don't want that noise, I drop it down to 50, and this is running all day for me at 50%. Now the beauty with this is you can actually leave it on overnight. So what I would do is keep it at the 50% and let it run, because while you're not here, it still circulates that air around the room, it still takes the particles out, and it also helps and aids drying of all your woodwork or anything that's in the room. So there is a benefit to actually leaving it on. Now you're going to say, what's the power? Right, if it's on full power, you're probably about 180 watt. If it's on the lower setting, it's about 45 watt worth of usage. But in the bigger scheme of things, if this is purifying the air and making it a better environment for you to work in, it doesn't matter if it's taking a bit of juice out of the electric, does it? Surely not. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think it's a worthwhile investment to have. So there we have it. A good bit of kit that's doing 650 cubic meters of air an hour. It's made it a lot easier for me to work in this environment when I've been spraying. It has made it a better environment to actually work in, full stop. And the biggest thing, what you're going to say to me, Phil, how much is it? Look at these around about £950 plus VAT. You might get a deal somewhere a little bit cheaper, but you're looking around about the £1,000 mark, which I think speculate to accumulate. And if you're already a decorator that's doing spraying, if you've already got the Merkur kits or the Festool kits for dustless standing, I think this is your next step onto purchasing something that's going to help you and also make it better for the customer, because there's nothing worse than being in an environment that you're opening and closing doors and you get the dust moving around the house. This is taking it out of the room that you're working in and making it a lot better for you, your clients, your customers. So there we have it. Any questions, just ask down below. I'm happy with this, very pleased with it. It's doing what it says that it was going to do. It's made it a lot better for me spraying on this job for the last couple of days. And what's nice is, yeah, I can turn it on and leave it on all day. I'm not having to worry about it. So thanks for listening. Any questions, just ask. And worthwhile investment. Consider one. If you've not considered one, please start considering one. Yeah.